Former Member of Parliament and State Minister Phyllis has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Former Member of Parliament for North Eastern Catherine and Minister of State in the Ministry of Education and Culture Phyllis has died. The opposition People's National Party (PNP) confirmed reports circulating on social media. Mitchell, who was born on April 25, 1945, won the seat in 1993 before losing in a court challenge after the 1997 election. The PNP says Comrade Mitchell was a dedicated servant of Jamaica and a committed member of the party. The party said Mitchell's passion for education and public service remains an enduring part of her legacy. The statement continued that her contribution to national development and her unwavering commitment to uplifting others will forever be remembered. The party extends sympathies to the family and said it will provide details regarding arrangement to honor her life and service in due course. Phyllis Mitchell was the mother of Jamaican Olympic and World Champion Sprint Relay bronze medalist Nicole Mitchell. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.